Welcome to HUIN Energy. Since 2012, we have been at the forefront of the global clean energy revolution, building a brand synonymous with innovation, reliability, and exceptional value. At HUIN Energy, we operate world-class, fully automated manufacturing facilities equipped with the most advanced production technology in the industry. Our smart factories deliver unmatched precision and efficiency, ensuring every product meets the highest international quality standards. Our comprehensive product portfolio spans high-efficiency solar panels, complete solar energy systems, cutting-edge lithium-ion batteries, and dependable lead-acid batteries, all engineered for superior performance and longevity. What truly defines HUIN Energy is our unwavering commitment to our customers. We offer fully customizable solutions tailored to your unique project requirements, no matter how complex. And with our industry-leading rapid delivery system, even the most urgent deadlines are always within reach. We deliver on time, every time. But our vision is bigger than business. At HUIN Energy, we believe clean energy should be accessible to everyone. That's why we offer premium quality products at prices up to 20% lower than competitors with equivalent quality. Our mission: to make clean, affordable solar power a reality for every household around the world. HUIN Energy Technology Co. Limited, your trusted global partner in clean energy. Together, let's build a greener, brighter, and more sustainable future for generations to come.